Hi friends, now is English Tech channel. So in this video I am going to make a new thing, our first Arduino project. So let's get started guys. So I am going to make our first Arduino project. This is that guys. We are going to make a talking robot using Arduino. You can see this is the Arduino Nano guys. You can see. And this is BC547 transistor and a speaker and few jumper wires for this project. So let's get started. First take your Arduino and keep it in a breadboard guys, and if you don't know how to use a breadboard, I will give the link in description. You can watch that video and you can learn how to use the breadboard guys. So and you need this BC547 transistor and a speaker, you can see. So let's connect this. So first you have to know the pinout of the BC547 transistor guys. You can see this is the collector pin, base and emitter. So first you have to connect the speaker minus with the collector pin of the BC547 transistor guys. You can see. And take another jumper wire and connect the base pin of the transistor with Arduino D11 pin. D11 guys. You can see here D11. Yes. And then emitter pin to the ground of the Arduino guys. You can see emitter pin of the transistor to the ground pin of the Arduino Nano board. And plus you can see here guys 5 volt supply you can connect here guys. You can see 5 volts. Connect here speaker plus. You can see I'm connecting and I'm using, you can see guys, 5 volts charger to power on this guys. So I will connect these two wires, plus wire to the V-in and minus wire to the ground of the Arduino guys. You can see. So you can see friends, I have connected the charger pins. You can see. First of all we have to upload the code in this Arduino Nano guys. I will give the code link in description, you can check it out. So we have to upload code from your laptop or PC guys. So we have to connect this Arduino to the laptop or PC guys. So like this cable is available, and you can see we have to keep it in our laptop. I am keeping. And now let's move into our PC screen. So guys, now open Chrome browser and type Audacity. You can see guys, and you have to download this software guys, Audacity. You can see, click on the first link and you can see here Windows 7, Windows 10, all of them you have to download, and I already downloaded it guys. You can see Audacity. And then you can see you need a audio file guys. I recorded from my mobile and I kept in my PC guys. So this is the audio file guys. It is in AAC.AAC. We have to convert it into WAV file. So open Chrome browser guys. Once open Chrome browser and type AAC to WAV converter. You can see, click on the first link and you can see guys, select file. You can see after selecting the file, you can see here you have to select the file guys, your file. You can see guys .AAC file. You can see and click on open, and you can see click on the download button guys. It will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded it. You can see .wav file. This is my second audio file guys. You can see after converting into WAV file. So then open Audacity guys. We have to reduce the file size. So click on the Audacity and click on the file, open, and you can see you have to select the WAV file that we have converted. You can see guys, click on the open, and you can see you have to remove the extra part of the audio. You can see you have to drag it and you can remove like that, guys. You can see, and here you can see, guys, you have to click in that option format and 16-bit PCM, and you can see here 8000 hertz. You have to select it and file export as mp3. So I have already exported, guys, so I will close this, and you can see this is my last audio file, guys, mp3, that we have converted. Now you can see from Audacity we have converted this into mp3 file, guys. So then you have to download Arduino software, guys, Arduino IDE, because we are using Arduino Nano, so we have to download the Arduino IDE software. If you don't know how to download, comment me in the comment box so that I can make a video how to download Arduino IDE software, guys. So let's see this, how it's opening. You can remove this, guys, remove this, and I have given one link in description. You can download this RAR file and extract it, and you can see, you can get the folder. Click on that, and you can see, guys, here this file. Click on that, and you can see you have to select this all, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C to copy, and you can see you have to paste in this Arduino software, guys. You can see Ctrl+V, it will be pasted, guys, and you have to remove these numbers, guys. This is our audio. We have to remove this audio and we have to add our own audio. So let's see how to add. So you can see you have to remove all this. So do like this, guys, and then click on the sketch button and include library and manage libraries. So here you have to type PCM, guys. You can see, and you have to install this library, guys. It is very important step in this project. You have to install this PCM library in your Arduino. So we have to make our own audio numbers, guys. So we have to convert it into numbers. To convert it, I have given this encode audio, guys. You have to download this, and you can see encode audio exe. Click on that, double click on that, and it will open like a pop-up box, and you can see you have to select your file, mp3 file, and click on open, and then you can see, guys, it will load sometime, and it will come the message that text copied. You can see copied to clipboard. So close that and open Arduino IDE software and paste here, guys, that numbers. You can see we have converted it into numbers, guys. You can see this is our audio file. So you can see, guys, and I have connected my Arduino to my PC, guys. You can see like that we have to connect the Arduino to our PC, and you can see now we have to select the board and port, guys, COM port. You can see, and click on upload. So if you want to save, you can save this code, guys, and you can see it is compiling sketch. You can see, guys, it will load some time and it will give you the uploading message, and you can see, guys, it's loading. It will take some time, and you can see the green bar is moving. Very easy project, guys, everyone can make this. So you can see, guys, it's done uploading. You can see now testing time.
Subscribe to Nikki Tech channel. Subscribe